Hello, my name is Cedeño, and I'm going to explain to you the configurations made in the autonomous case of practice number 1 RIP in GNS3. So imagine that you're a construction worker for a company called James Construcciones. You're looking for a way for your colleagues to easily send information about building materials they need. So you take a couple of old routers running RIP, but they are running out of memory. Therefore, you will need to create some summaries to decrease the size of your routing tables to save some memory. Okay? So at the given topology, here we have 4 routers. Their names are James, Carlos, Kirk, and Bruce, being James the main router that connects to the rest of them. Okay? And the main configurations can be observed using the showRunning config command, as we can see here in the right side of the screen. So before creating the summaries, the IP and loopback interfaces were configured on all the routers. So here we have the Carlos router, and we can see here the loopback interfaces from the loopback 0 to the loopback 7, and also here we have the IP address that was configured on the physical interface Fast Ethernet 00. Then routing protocol RIP version 2 was configured. Here we can see in the Kirk router on this part. Let me look for it. Okay, here we have router RIP. So here we can see the routing protocol configured on the device, and also the total connectivity was verified using the ping command that was made on Bruce's router. And here we use the ping command to the direction 192, 168, 12, 1. Okay, and that shows us that the ping was successful. Well, so a summary of the loopback interfaces was made on the Carlos and Brick routers. So we can see here the Carlos router, and this was made with the IP summary address RIP command that was configured on the interface Fast Ethernet 00. And so that all networks on the loopback interfaces are advertised as an optimal route. In the Kirk router, we do the same, but with 4 routes. Here were created 4 summarizations for the loopback interfaces without having overlapping networks. Let me show the 4 routes, the 4 summarizations. Here we have it. The 4 summarizations created on the interface Fast Ethernet 10. And finally, the resulting summary routes can be observed from the James router's routing table. Here in James router, we use the show IP route, and we can see here with the RIP protocol that the summarized routes were created. Thank you.